Good evening, everybody. I'm back with another recap. The markets just seem to keep going up, right? It's just insane. Um, it's just insane to be honest. But anyways, let's go through it. Yeah, follow me on Twitter as always, on YouTube, all that good stuff. I will not bore you anymore. Let's get into the charts. Okay, let's start with the URA, our favorite sector, the uranium sector. We love it, don't we? Look at this, where we are right now. I will not do the larger picture for this one. Breakout retest at the amazing 22 level. We're getting a bounce. Absolutely amazing for now. And then we need to clear this high here, the breakout high right now. Right here, we need to clear this one. Breakout retest looks absolutely fantastic until proven otherwise. Uranium, let's go, easy. Then we have URNM, a different beast, same sector, different beast. Anyways, look at where we are. We are, there it is, coming for a let me just show you here. A breakup. We can do it like this. That might be better. There it is. Fine. We tagged it. Let's look at the daily. We tagged it early this week, coming back, testing the upper trend line of the channel here, and now hopefully we get the resumption. I mean, it looks really, really good if we can get above 36. 36 is the magic go for URNM. You can book it. URNJ. Also, we had this weird expanding formation, breakout, retest at the top of the trend line. Let's go. Looks good. Looks really good. Really, really good. The Sprott Physical Uranium Trust. As you know, we broke the red trend line coming down here. We broke out of the double golden, and now we are retesting resumption. Let's look at the messing it up here. Excuse me. As you can see, breakout of all the resistance, full retest of the red. Now we are resuming. It's just, I love it. It looks insanely good right here, right now. It really, really does. So until proven otherwise, it looks fantastic. I have the China large cap ETF, the FXI. I'm just want to show you something that I think this right here is the same as this. So we could see a move up here in the China stocks. This is absolutely one big, in my view, one big inverted head and shoulders. So the target should be somewhere up here. So in the 40s, looks good when we break it, of course, but it looks good. As you can see, the right shoulder is being formed here and now, I think. And we need to break the neckline. Lithium had a huge run, as you know. Lithium, back into, actually it peaked just around the same time as uranium. But anyways, just look at this major pull up. Let's do like this from the bottom to the top, right there. Bull flag, bull pennant, whatever you want to call it. Let's copy it here, and we have a massive target, at least 100% from here, at least. And if you were to, since we are on the log scale, you could do the percentage instead. I mean, then you have let's call it 400% from here, from the breakout. So let's 4 times 60, that's 240. That's way up here, man. Lithium looks awesome. Insanely good. Similar here. Quickly, long-term view. In my view, big 15-year-old inverted head and shoulders working on the right shoulder in a big squeeze. I mean, when we break it here at some point in time, we will break this bad boy, I think, to the upside, getting above, let's call it 80, 84. Then the solar ETF should be in for a very long bull run, getting to the neckline, getting a pullback. And then I think we are going way higher in the solar ETF. Just remember, for some reason, every single government or country is investing heavily into solar, even though it's not the best investment. But anyways, that's a different topic. XOP, similar thing. left shoulder, head, right shoulder, in my view. Neckline, the blue at around 170. We are currently on the daily. Let me zoom in here. As you can see, we have the squeeze down here and from the bottom all the way up. And we are breaking out, retesting. And it seems like we are going to go much higher with some resistance here. But I think in August-ish, we could be at the neckline. So that's a big move from here. That's roughly 40%, if my math is correct. It probably isn't, but anyways. Oil, I just want to show you right now still in the downtrend. I don't see much of a reversal yet, even though we bounced roughly 3% at the center line today. But we need to get above this high here at around 75 for some early bullish signs. We need to get back up here. So yeah, until now, downward, bearish, but I think the bulls and the bears are really trying to fight here. So we have to wait and see. As you know, I don't remember I think we talked about this ratio before, the uranium spot price divided by the Nasdaq, by the nat gas, excuse me. And we had the nat gas pumping 10% today, more or less, or 9%, whatever. But I think this is the go for nat gas to really start to do some heavy pumping here. Everyone is bearish, no one is talking about it. But yeah, I have that feeling, So when we break this one here, then at least nat gas should outperform the uranium spot price. And I don't think uranium spot price will go down this heavily, like 30-40% doesn't make sense. So it should be nat gas outperforming and already inclining uranium spot price. Nat gas, I called it, man, here. Yeah, this is just silver. Oh yeah, I know what do you want. Let me show you. Look at this candle here today. I think we had, what news was it? I can't remember the news or the numbers. Anyways, doesn't matter. Look at this candle here today. Big reversal hammer candle. So if we can gain momentum here in the next few days and get back above 24.5, I mean, this could be the start of that major, as you know, 26 level, which in my book is where silver takes off. 26, which is also the neckline of this inverted head and shoulders coming across here, as you know. So 26.23 in that range is where silver takes off. I am positive on those on that level. So good day today actually for silver, even though we didn't do anything. Gold quite similar on gold. We have this golden wedge coming up here, and from the bottom here, a breakdown, and now we're in this blue wedge here, and we are breaking back above the wedge. Very nice, very bullish short term. Also, we are staying above. This is the weekly daily closes, so we're staying above the weekly closes, which is very important going into Friday. So we need to stay above 1945-ish in that range. We need to stay above. So yeah, gold also doing some had an amazing reversal today, intraday, an amazing reversal. All good. And this is the reason why. Both the rates, but also especially the dollar really had a big down day today. Just you can see it here. The news came out here at 2 o'clock. I can't remember exactly what it was. Oh yes, I remember. It was the ECB raising rates by 0.25%. And yesterday, the Fed paused rates. That's why I remember. So this is a big drop for the dollar, and I think we will go back down to the major important, as you know, 108, 100.8 level. And if that doesn't hold, man, we are going way lower. I think that's probably the level to look for. Obviously, you have the rounded number at 100. I know, but I still think getting a decent size below the 100.8, then it's a big drop in for the dollar. So Bitcoin, bitty Bitcoin. Everyone hates it and loves it. Excuse me. I'm tired. Sorry. Yesterday we actually broke the major 25,300 level. As you know, it's a big level. Obviously, neckline, big support and resistance level. We broke down, and now we're actually peaking back above again, obviously on the dollar weakness. So this is good for Bitcoin. When should you become bullish on Bitcoin, in my view? You should get above this golden trend line here, and let's call it this level right here, roughly. So 27,000-ish should be where you start to consider, okay, Bitcoin might join the party with all the melts up and so on. Awesome. I just wanted to show you, this should be white. My bad. Let me just quickly here. This is the hydrogen ETF. We had this golden triangle coming down here, fakey, back down again into the squeeze, as you can see, and now we are testing again. And I think hydrogen will do insanely good if we can break above here and gain some traction. XLE, the energy sector, looking at this squeeze right here, you can see we had two false breakdowns here, back above. And if we can start to get above the golden trend line here, then the XLE should do really good. Okay, that's all I had for today. Before you leave, I want to show you something. This is the Nikola, which has been in a very hated stock for a very long time. Obviously, look at this, Jesus Christ! But look at this squeeze right now. Look at the squeeze. This is amazing, absolutely amazing. Look at the volume coming in. Big breakout for the Nikola Corporation. I know people saying they are fraudsters, they are scammers and so on. It doesn't matter. The chart has spoken that we are breaking out heavily. So I'm looking for, if I can get an entry in this zone right here, depending on what happens. Will we see a flag? Will we see just a straight retest and resumption? I don't know. But I will wait and see what happens here and see if I can get an entry where I can have a very easy stop loss. That's very important for me personally in this kind of stock here. But I'm not chasing, it has been on a 200% run in like 5 days. Absolutely amazing. Anyways, thank you for stopping by. Love you all. Cheers, and see you on Twitter. Follow me.